Hi friends, I'm Sweta. Today I'm going to tell that uses of internet because nowadays we all are dependent on internet and how we can use it because it's a very big issue right now. We have to take care of it because we don't know that internet can help you also make your life just like hell and can also teach you bad things. Then what we should how we can use the internet. I have seen that most of the time people take the internet in a different sense. Can take the internet they always blame that people are becoming so rude or becoming so bad because of internet because they are watching this porn movies etc. But I think that if it has any negative thing, it also has positive thing. That how we can use the internet in which way. Internet gave us a big platform to show our talent, to to prove ourselves. It also help us to communicate with everyone, and also help us to start up a new business. Also help us to to spread our knowledge all over the world. So here I'm going to tell that uses of internet is very much important, and how we should know that how we can use the internet because everything has positive effect. If you try to analyze this how it can help us, then you can surely can get success here. Then how we can use our internet in which way so that we can be benefited. I think that many things are there. Google, first of all I am talking about Google helps you a lot. Seriously, Google is my best friend because whenever I am doubt in any here, I just ask Google, I just write whatever I want and I always get answer. Google helps you a lot to search anything. Facebook, I am talking about the Facebook. I have seen that in Facebook you can do many things. You can make new friendship, you can know the different diversity of people, you can judge anyone, you can judge a person through their activities, through their status, through their photo uploading. Many things are there from where you can judge a person. Even if I'm also saying that Facebook also helps you in business, in many things, in helps you to synchronize or to diminish the distance. It also helps you a lot in different ways, and it also helps you to communicate your near dear people. Many things are there, but still then I am also telling that it also harm you a lot. Like many times people get your photos here, even if they use it in negative way. But I think that cyber crime is also there to help you. That you should. That's why you shouldn't think about that, because cyber crime is here, and we should take help from them whenever we require or whenever we face any problems in internet or anything here. So here, but I've seen that most of the small children are there who are spending their whole day here in Facebook chatting etc. But I think that it's really harmful for them. That how we can use the internet. No doubt Facebook is there, it also is like a entertainment, but we shouldn't give so much time here in chatting etc. So I've seen also many porn sites also there in Facebook. I think that it should be deleted, or I think that it should be banned, means it should be closed. I've seen many Facebook pages or pages are there where you can see many naked girls photos, many abusing kind of photos are there. Seriously telling, which I think that should be closed or that should be deleted by the Facebook authorities, so that children will be stay from all the negative things. This is the things. And go for Twitter. That always here you can get all the information about all celebrities. It's also a big platform. And YouTube, where you can get everything here. Seriously telling you, in YouTube you can get everything. YouTube also my best friend because whenever I feel bored, I also watch something. But it also demoralize, or it also has a negative effect, means many porn sites are there which is really harmful for children. And most of the time people are, I've seen that move whenever I've judged in when Mumbai rap case, they people are always watching porn movies. So I think that this porn movies should be banned, because I don't think that it should needed. Desperate people needed this. So I think that porn sites should be banned, so that people will be good from their mind. It should be, because most of the time nowadays children are very too much clever. They are also watching this. So I think that it's better, if you want to save our society, then we have to close this thing, or we have to ban this, or we have to make a different sites for them who are actually wants, and there should be some criteria will be there, so that children should not can't use this or can't see this. So these are the sites, or but I think that internet has a many positive sides of there. Here you can show your talent, like many blogger is there where you can write everything, and many circle means many friendship circle are there where you can friend with many people. But I've seen that most of the time also people are cheated by their Facebook friends or many other friends, because because they are just, because this is a kind of time pass. So it's telling some people, no doubt some people are there. If you don't know a person's identity, that how can you believe that person? It's the true thing, na? If you don't know a person, how can you believe that that person is calling? Means if you are making friendship with someone, if that person is wants to meet you, okay, it's good that if you want to meet them, but it doesn't mean that you should go their home. It's not like that. First of all, whenever we meet with any unknown person, meet with any unauthorized people means we don't know them before. First of all, we have to take the wise step there. We shouldn't be so much blind here. So most of the time people also becoming too full and do the many police work here. So here it's my kind request to everyone that don't believe so much in internet. If you are believing, okay, then first of all see that person for criteria, that person their family, their culture, their everything. First of all, you know that person. After that, you should go for any serious step. But don't take any negative step, or don't take any serious step without thinking anything, because it may harm your life, it may destroy your life. So you have to be careful about that. So it's your life, you have to think about that. That's why most of the time I've seen that people always fear, and most of the time people always suggest you that don't use so much internet. But I think that internet, there is no problem, but you have the problem. You have to change yourself first of all, so that you can know that who is really true for you. So internet, you also can it also can help you a lot. Means it always deliver your ideas. It also help you to become famous, popular in internet, because using internet you can go everywhere or can show your talent. But through this internet you can show your talent to everyone. So it also helps you a lot in different ways. We have to just see that how it is help you, or how much it is helping you. Most of the time I use internet because I love to make friendship, and I love to meet with different people, different areas, and I love to make the whole world is one. That's the main motto. And I love the diversity, means I love to make friendship with everyone, every type of kind of people, so that I can realize, or so that I can see that how the people are living. I love to study the people mind, their culture, their way of living, etc., so that I can learn something good from them. I just want to make friendship because I learn to know something good from everywhere, because I know that every culture is something good, and I just want to adapt that one. And my motto is to show my talent through this, so that it also helped me a lot. So here I am going to tell, take the internet in a positive way, so that your life will be beautiful. Thank you all. Hope you understand me that what I mean to say. Don't use internet in a negative way, and watch your children what they are doing. It's a great thing, because children mind are very, they are unconscious mind, and even if they are very soft minded, that's why they don't know what they are doing. But you know that what we should do, because we have that much talent, or we have that much brain, that we can judge anything. So you have to judge that what is good and what is not, and what your children are doing. Because I've seen I have also, my sister brothers are there, they are very small, because I'm the eldest one, that's why I'm telling. So here I'm going to tell that you have to watch your children, watch your brothers and sister, younger brothers and sister, what they are doing, because internet has both effect. And you have to tell your brothers and sister or children that the negative, not the negative effect, but the positive effect of the internet, so that they can learn something good and it will help them in their future life. Hope you all understand that how we can use the internet. So hope you all like this. Thank you all.